Oh yeah. Good spotting.
For YouTube video.
Oh my God! He's doing nothing. I thought he was You're not going to put that on YouTube, right?
Do I have your permission?
It's all good. What happens in Miami stays in Miami.
Unless it's caught on video.
Wow, you're a great dancer.
And it's another show, it's history. Cruise Shipping Miami 2009 is over. It's the 19th of March. It's been an interesting 3 days. It actually started on the 16th, making it a 4-day event. But the exhibit hall opened on the 17th and ran the 18th and 19th. So they were the busiest of the day. Overall, the feeling is conservative. Not too upbeat, not too pessimistic. Concerned about the future, but recognizing that things will go on. All of the exhibitors who are here at this show certainly hope to be back next year. Some will struggle more than others. But there's a big ship called the Oasis of the Seas coming to Port Everglades, and several other new ships coming into the market. Be interesting to see how they work out. But this is Ken English, reporting for X-Ray Magazine in Miami Beach. At the Miami Beach Convention Center, it was Cruise Shipping Miami 2009.